there, I'm Greg.
And I'm Billy.
Together with the Fuji guys. Wow, we got a treat for you today. It's the latest addition to our EXR family, the new F300 digital camera. I'm going to unbox this for you right now. Billy's going to give you the first look on it. So, first of all, this is in a white box, just to explain that, as we have in other videos. In order for us to have this video ready for you the first day this camera is announced, we show the white box as really, it's a pre-production sample. Of course, if you buy one in a store, it's going to be covered with beautiful pictures and descriptions and things like that. So, let's see what happens when we open the box. Of course, right at the top, you're going to have your instruction manual, warranty cards, things like that, as well as your CD or software with the MyFinePix Studio software, as well as a camera strap. Okay.
Of course, this is a white box, so we're not going to get the full marketing package.
Yes.
So
but that's when they get it. That's what they're going to get. The disc with the software. Because the camera uses an NP50 rechargeable battery, it comes with the wall charger. This is a dual voltage, Billy, of course, so they can use it in countries. There's the USB cable for downloading your pictures, but again, Fuji guys tend to recommend using card readers, or many of the computers you have now have card readers built in. And to play your videos from this camera straight to a TV, it comes with a video cable, audio-video cable. And of course, to make this thing work, we've got the NP50 battery, which we'll keep handy because Billy's going to show you that a little bit later.
Great.
And now, let's get to this beautiful piece of work. Now, this is almost a huge achievement in technology because this camera has a 15 times ultra-wide angle lens, and yet I can fit it in my pocket. That in a nutshell is the amazing thing about this camera. But it's also got our latest EXR technology, the Fujinon best-in-class lens, an extremely high-end LCD monitor. So this camera, when we do go through some of the top features and things like that, is very impressive. But cool. Billy, get us going by just running through the different sides of the camera. Tell us what comes on it and what the buttons are.
Well, thank you, Greg. Again, it's a very, very exciting camera for us. The F300, again, another truly flagship model with all the latest technology, as you mentioned. So quickly taking a look at the camera, we have the lens. If you look at the front of it, it's a 15 times zoom lens, and Greg mentioned it's wide, but it's actually 24 millimeter wide, so it's extremely wide for a camera and goes all the way down to about 360 millimeters. So incredible in terms of the size of this camera, and it's possible due to the new technology from Fujinon, which is part of a lens company, and it's designed with a dual sliding lens technique. So what happens is there's two sliding lenses that sort of open and closes, and as it needs more length, it drops the two lenses, and so that you get that extended zoom. And when you shoot wide, it opens it back open, and the camera lens goes back in, but it keeps it very, very compact.
That's the magic to the compact design.
So absolutely incredible with that. Yeah. We have the AF assist lamp in the front of the camera, which also acts as a self timer. So that's the front of the camera, and there's also a nice rubberized grip right here beside the Fuji logo, so that when you hold the camera, you have a nice little feel to it. Of course, if we take a look at the right side of the camera, we have the camera strap connection where you would actually attach the strap. And we always recommend you put that on because you never know when someone's going to bump you and the camera drops off. There's also a door cover, and if we open that up, again, it's attached to the camera, so it's not going to fall off, which is excellent by Fuji. There's an audio-video / USB port that's with the camera, so that you have the standard USB for download and the standard USB / video cable for connecting to your television. In addition to that, Greg, it also has a micro HDMI port on the camera as well. Nice. So if you have an HD TV, you can plug it directly and play back your videos or image in HD quality. So excellent little feature to have. If we take a look at the other side, there's really not much, but a slightly low grip there, just that you have a little texture to hold the camera better. If we take a look at the top of the camera now, you can see we have the microphone, we have the power switch, and we have the shutter release button, which is also in front of it. There's also a zoom rocker to do telephoto and wide angle. And just to the left of me, and I have to actually turn the camera on to show you this, is that no batteries. So let's take a look at
let's look at the bottom first.
Okay, so we got the tripod mount, which is centered kind of in the middle of the cam, which is great. We have the speaker, and of course the battery cover. We'll slide that open. And I'm just going to insert the batteries in just to show you a demo, but that's where the batteries go into. Orange on orange matches, as well as where the SD card slot goes to the camera. So that's that. We take a look at the back of the camera now. Just before I turn the camera on, we have an extremely high-res 3-inch LCD screen on this camera, so it's unbelievable. Very nice and flush with the camera. There's some new features on this camera. We have the standard directional pad, up, down, left, right, but now we also have this sort of command dial built into that pad as well. So when you go set the camera to the manual modes like aperture, shutter, or even full manual control, it's easily adjust the aperture or shutter speeds without actually going into the menu system or pushing any button. So it gives you that same feel of a digital SLR where you have the command dial. You have the display button to toggle through the different display options of the camera. The F button, which is my film store button, which allows me to change things like ISO or sensitivity, the image quality, which sort of gives me the amount of exposures, and of course the type of film, black and white and so forth, so chrome. We have the standard playback button. And we've added now a movie direct recording button now. So when you're doing your HD video in any mode you're on with a dial, you can push that. It starts recording HD video right away.
One-touch video,
which is an excellent feature to have. And this command dial is interesting, cool now in design because it's now slanted to give you a little bit better control to easily change that dial. You have a nice feel.
I love that.
It's very tactile in terms of when it stops to M or to any of the other modes, you know you're in the correct mode. So there we go. So I'm just going to turn the camera on quickly because I wanted to show you one thing. And as you can see, the lens comes up, but also the flash. So the flash now, it's a sort of a pop-up flash. And basically, you put that down again, you turn it off, and it automatically shuts down. So that's where the flash is located if you didn't really see that. So again, that's a quick first look at the FinePix F300 EXR. Again, a brand new, flagship model that offers, incredible zoom.
Yeah. Now, I just want to touch quickly on it because we mentioned the EXR sensor, but just to remind everyone out there, this camera is a higher-end camera and it uses a much higher-end sensor technology. We have videos on the EXR technology that you can look up in the Fuji Guys videos. But essentially the EXR sensor, whether you have the camera do it automatically or whether you manually choose to do it, it's the only sensor in the world that actually adjusts itself depending on the lighting condition you're in. It physically adjusts the way it captures the image and processes the images based on whether you're in low light or very contrasty light or just normal everyday light. So I just wanted to say about that. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to another one of our videos. But until then, I'm Greg.
And I'm Billy.
And we're the Fuji Guys.
Fuji Guys.